Okay, I think that should be good enough. What do you guys think? Yay! Well, I pre-baked the oven. There's something I did wrong. I should have cooked I should have cooked the dough for about 8 minutes and then put toppings on it, but I didn't do that. So, anyways, I got it set right when we're gonna put it in. Yeah. Okay, now we just have to wait. Well, while we're waiting, I'll take this time to apologize for, I said I was going to put out a video the other day, and I haven't done it yet. It's not because I haven't been trying, but it's just the problem really is with me. I forgot how to do stuff, and or my internet, and I'm not getting good connections or something. I'm waiting for the guy from Bell to come in tomorrow to set me up and put in internet and stuff like that. So hopefully that'll be okay. I've had a hard time getting on Epidemic Sound. And I just plain forget, like, and you know, I forget names, I forget different things. So yeah, so please bear with me. I'm trying hard to, like with all the excitement and moving and starting new and like, starting new in a new place and getting things done. It's really difficult. I'm finding, like I'm doing things all right, but I mean, I just find like some things, I went from doing video just about every day or every second day or whatever to doing them 4 times a month, and I forget how to do it. Um, yeah, like I had to call up Rochelle last night and ask her like, what the heck am I doing? Like, how do I go about this? And I'm grateful that she's patient because she has her own struggles, like she said, and so yeah, we did it together. But I mean, yeah, so I'm muddled through, trying to figure it out, and I just didn't see things in front of me. Like I didn't see Epidemic Sound there or um, Apple. The movie thing, yeah, you make you make videos on. I just didn't see that. Like I don't know, like I went blank for a bit. Anyways, it's just really difficult, and I find that I'm struggling somewhat, but not to fear. Like I'm gonna get it done. Uh, it's just that I hate letting people down or saying that I'm going to do something and I can't do it, or I put a lot of pressure on myself. But I'm just just going to relax, do my thing, and hopefully it'll all work out. Anyways, that's what I wanted to tell you, and yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. So I apologize. I know some of you will say I don't need to apologize, but I feel I do. So thank you all for being patient with me. Okay, can't wait till the pizza gets done. Yay! What I did wrong with the pizza. I should have put in the crust for about 8 minutes, they said, and then put on the dress or all the stuff, pepperoni and onions and stuff like that. I didn't do that, so if it doesn't turn out, but I think it will. I think it will. It looks pretty good. So yeah, fingers crossed. I can't even do that properly. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Yeah, that's it. Sucks getting old. Whoa. While we're waiting, these are some of the pictures I got. I got from Sheriff. And I decorated my door. Places I've been to. Mulholland Falls, USA, Oregon. And yeah, the wall. I put a few of my paintings up there, and hey, there's Bob and Mr. Chicken. And that's Bob's cousin there, the little chicken, the little rooster right here. Yeah, Bob's cousin. See if he looks alike. Woohoo! And gorgeous pictures of Hawaii and stuff. So yeah, this is all good. And there's my kitchen. Woohoo! I think it's done. But yeah, I think it's done. We'll find out for sure. It's nice and gold, it's nice and brown, so yeah. Look at that. Woo. Wow. Okay, we're gonna check it out. Well, looks nice. Yes, great. Yes, very good. There you have it. Pizza. And yeah, it's all great. And this will be my first video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please come back next time. You never know what I'm gonna cook. I don't know what I'm gonna cook, but I got a few things planned. So I guess it's fair to say that Cheffie Jeffie is back. Woo! Peace. Aloha, and I love you. Yep. Thank you very much for watching. Okay. Bon appetit. I gotta eat. Ciao. It's all good.